So let's get one thing straight and two things gay. Hi, I'm Addison. I've been an ICU nurse for about 6 years now, and welcome to my series called You Can't Make This Shit Up. Now, for today, ladies, I need you to come here to the front. What the fuck is up with your husbands? No, like seriously, because that can't, the version that we see in the hospital cannot be the same man that y'all married. Because he does not act like that at home. I swear to God, because normally I break hearts, not HIPAA, but I just had a fully grown adult male look at me when I asked him to scoot up in the bed and said, how do I do that? Because what do you mean you're a full grown adult male that's married and you don't know how to scoot up in the bed? No, like actually, what do you mean that you don't know how to brush your teeth? Like, what do you mean? Like, how are you going to look at me and ask that? And no tea, no shade, but it's always the most misogynistic patients that probably voted against women's rights, as evidenced by the fact that they have Fox News blaring in their room, that have no clue why they're there or anything about their medical history. Because every time I ask you a question, you're going to say, I don't know. Because what do you mean you don't know what your allergies are? And then I have to call your wife to figure out what medications you're on. Don't get me wrong, I try to treat every patient with the same amount of respect, but your husband's just really test it. We're just going to have to start ordering stat CTs of these men's heads because something is seriously wrong. But speaking of ordering things stat, make sure that you go check out these scrubs in the link in my bio.